I'm in Google Gemini to show you their upgraded image creation. What's great about this is, well, you'll see. So I have here, create an image of pirate ships with tiny pirates inside a cup of coffee having a battle. And I'm not going to pause this video because I want you to see real time how long it takes. So we're at about 10 seconds in. And there you go. Wow. Okay, so what the other thing that's great about this is that it allows you to, with just some additional prompts, and again, it's fast. Let's see, zoom out and make it hyper realistic, like a photo, because those pirates look like little toys. Okay, it zoomed out, but it didn't make them realistic. The pirates and the ships still look like toys. Make them look real. Okay, still looking a little bit like toys, but I mean, how real, I guess, can it look? I'm going to give one more prompt. Create an image of a frog standing in the middle of Bourbon Street under an umbrella. It's raining Skittles. And obviously, the more descriptive you are with your prompt the first time, the better the image is going to be. But I really just want to get generic so I can show you, that's cute, so I can show you how easy it is to edit and work with the pictures without being super specific. So I'm going to make one more change. I'm going to say, make it look more literary. I don't know if that even means anything. The frog is distinguished with a trench coat, more muted colors. Well, now it looks like an ad for Skittles, but that is kind of what I had in mind with the frog. So that's it, folks. Gemini 2.0 now has advanced image creation. Have a blast.